Welcome back, guys. We'll be solving a first order differential equation using the integrating factor method. Let's get started. So today I'll be solving the differential equation e to the 2x times y prime equal 4x plus 4 times y cubed. Now first I'm going to change y prime to dy over dx. So I am going to have e to the 2x, and now my y prime will be dy over dx. And then I have my 4x plus 4 times y cubed. Now the first I'll get the dx over to my right hand side. So what I'll have here is e to the 2x dy is equal to 4x plus 4 times y cubed, and then the dx that I've carried over. Now dy means I'm integrating with respect to y, while dx means I'm integrating with respect to x. So using separation of variable, that's the method I am using here. I need to get all the y's on my left and all the x on my right. So first let me get this e to the 2x on my right. So dividing both sides by e to the 2x. So divide both sides by e to the 2x. This cancels, so I have dy is equal to 4x plus 4 y cubed all over e to the 2x dx. Now this y cubed needs to go on my left, so I will divide both sides by y cubed. This cancels, so I have dy. No, I can have dy over y cubed, or it's the same as 1 over y cubed times dy. They're the same thing, is equal to 4x plus 4 all over e to the 2x dx. Now 1 over y cubed, I can rewrite this as y to the negative 3. So I have y to the minus 3 dy. Same case here, I can rewrite this. Carrying it up, it becomes a negative power. So I have 4x plus 4 times e to the minus 2x dx. Now I'm going to integrate because I have the y on the left and the x on the right. Integrating this is rather straightforward. So when I integrate, I will add 1 to the power. So adding, so you'd have y to the minus 3 plus 1 over minus 3 plus 1. On this side, because I have two functions being multiplied, I have to use integration by parts. Now before I do this, let me just simplify here. Y to the minus 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So I'll have y to the minus 2 over minus 2. The next side, I need to integrate by parts. So what's happening? What's the integration by parts formula? Is integral of u v prime is equal to u v minus the integral of u prime v. So we assign first one to be u and one to be v prime. So I'll assign the 4x plus 4 to be u and e to the minus 2x to be v prime. I always say to students, assign the one that becomes a constant to be u. However, not all the time we can do that, but most of the time we can do that. So this will differentiate to become a constant. So what is my u prime? U prime is differentiating this. So differentiate 4x, I will get 4. And differentiating 4, that will be 0. V prime, to get it to be V, we have to integrate this. So integrating this, I will take the coefficient of x and have 1 over the coefficient of x times exponential. Now all that is left is for me to substitute it into the formula. What is my u? 4x plus 4, so I write that. 4x plus 4. What is my v? Minus 1 over negative 2 e to the minus 2x. So 1 over negative 2 e to the minus 2x. Minus the integral of u prime. U prime is 4, so I have my 4 here. And v is minus a half e to the minus 2x. We have dx because we're integrating with respect to x. Now let me do some simplification. Minus a half can be multiplied by all of this. So half of 4 is 2, and the negative sign will change. So this is what I will have. Let me rewrite the y to the negative 2 over minus 2, and then half of 4 is 2, so I will have minus 2x because of the negative sign. Minus a half times 4, that's negative 2. Then I have my x. Minus a half times 4, that's negative 2. Multiplied by e to the minus 2x. Minus, now this negative sign will change this to positive. So let me go ahead and change it to positive. And a half of 4 is 2. And I can carry the 2 outside of the integral sign and integrate e to the minus 2x dx. Let me rewrite y to the minus 2 over negative 2 is equal to minus 2x minus 2 e to the minus 2x plus 2. And then integrating this, I will have 1 over negative 2 e to the minus 2x plus, let me write the c here, my constant c. No, the 2 would cancel the 2 and the sign will change to a minus. So what do I have? Y to the minus 2 over negative 2 is equal to minus 2x minus 2 times e to the minus 2x, then minus e to the minus 2x plus c. And this right here is my general solution. Now you can make y the subject, but that's not required here. So this is a general solution, which is a solution for this differential equation. And that's it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.